On the second video of 7D, we're going to tie together what we just did on the first page with something we've done before, which was our very first parent function that we talked about, y is equal to x squared. So if y is equal to x squared, remember we had these parent points. If we had a 0, 0 squared is 0. If I have a 1, then 1 squared is 1. And if I have a 2, 2 squared is 4. We also had the -1, 1, and the -2, 4. And I've come over here and graphed that there's your 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, -1, 1, -2, 4. And so we had this parabola that we had graphed for this. So that was a parent. So let's come down here and look at this, and we're going to graph it over here without anything else. So remember that here this is going to move left 3, so our parent's going to move left 3, down 1. So I'm just going to write that left 3, down 1. So we're going to go left 1, 2, 3, and down 1. And so there is our new origin here, and we're going to plot these same points. So there's 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, 1, and -2, up 1, 2, 3, 4. And so then we have our parabola graphed here. All right, so now let's tie it in with what we did on the last page. Here we have this. What is the vertex? Well, the vertex then is the low point right there. So -1, 2, 3, down 1. So -3, 1. The domain, again, left to right, it's going to be all real numbers. The range is going to go from the low point up, so y is going to be greater than or equal to the y value here, which is -1. The axis of symmetry, remember, goes through the middle. See if I can get that here. It's that vertical line coming here, and so that's going to be x is equal to 1, 2, 3, -3. And this one has a low point, so this one has a minimum. So we're going to say it has a minimum, I'll call it min. It has a min, it's going to be of -1. So the minimum y value is -1 at x is equal to -3. All right, so then I will do, I guess I'll do b as well on this. Let's come down here. I'll come down here and we'll do this one. C. So for C, again, we want to graph this. So using my parent, I know it's going to go right 1 up 2. So right 1 up 2. So right 1 up 2. So there's my new origin. This is going to, the -2 is going to multiply our y values times -2. So rather going up 1, it's going to go over 1 and down 2. So over 1 and down 2 here, back 1 and down 2 here. So rather than going over 2 and up 4, that's going to go over 2 and down twice as far, so down 8. So over 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'll sketch our shape in here. Not so pretty, my sketch, but there we go. Vertex right here. So 1, 2. The domain is going to be all real numbers. The range is going to be, this times y is going to be less than or equal to, this is a high value of 2. The axis of symmetry coming down the middle of the vertex is going to be x is equal to 1. And this one has a max of, so it's a high value of 2 at x is equal to 1. So why we'd say it. All right, so now you come back and do do example B for the try part of this, and then pick up the next video.